Guys, kung na-experience nyo din to katulad ko, I'll show you how to request a refund. So, nakareceive ako ng message na nadidak ako sa Google ng amount 17. So, puntahan nyo yung email nyo guys, and then hanapin nyo dito yung Google Play. Since yung sa akin is Google Play, hanapin nyo dito yung order receipt. Then, open nyo yan guys, at makikita nyo dito yung resibo ng payment. Then, scroll down kayo guys, and then may makikita kayo ditong refund policy. Then, scroll down kayo dito at hanapin nyo yung report unauthorized charges. And since yung akin guys is Google Play, pipiliin ko yung Google Play. And kung YouTube naman yung sa inyo, piliin nyo yung for YouTube transaction. And dito guys, hit continue lang kayo. And then confirm your email. And then hit confirm. And dito guys, makikita nyo na yung history ng purchases nyo. Piliin nyo lang yung gusto nyong i-refund. Dito, choose your reason for refund. And here, explain your issue. Follow nyo na lang guys yung screen instruction. Madali na lang yan. And then once you're done, check your email for confirmation na na-receive na nila yung request nyo. Yun lang for this video. I hope na makatulong sa inyo.